Video for installation of Z18 European Standard Automatic Universal Interchangeable Lock. Original lock before installation. Step 1. Remove the old lock. Step 2. Install a new lock cylinder. Step 3. Make a hole on the door. Step 4. Assemble the front lock panel. Step 5. Fasten the steel sheet on the back lock panel. Step 6. Connect the data lines passing through the front and back lock panels. Step 7. Fasten the back lock panel. Step 8. Install the battery on its cover. Step 9. Test for locking and unlocking.